Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting with second last topic in algebra, that is logarithm. Okay, logarithm again I will keep it as low priority. So till now just a quick recap, we have done arithmetic progression, symmetric progression, harmonic progression, sum of the series. Then after that we did linear equation, quadratic equation and then cubic equation. Then we are going to do logarithm and set theory, right? If you ask me, higher priority topic means a lot of questions are asked from these two, right? Series, some of the series or series question. Linear equation and quadratic equation means these are very high priority. Cubic equation, not so high. Then logarithm, again, not very high probability topic. Then set theory, very high probability. So if you harmonic progression, cubic equation and logarithm, in my view, you can keep you keep your effort to the minimal. So if any question comes in exam, they see always this is the on a scale of difficulty. Suppose on difficulty of 1 means very easy to difficulty of 5 means very difficult. If you are able to find question in the range of 1 to 3 means easy to moderate, you should and you will be able to solve questions if you know the basics of harmonic progression, cubic equation and logarithm. But if it is on higher difficulty side, don't even try to attempt it. Don't waste your time because, mind you, because other aspirants are also struggling on this part. Since they are struggling, they will just move on to the next question and you are still focusing on this. So, right? So, always keep in mind the list of high priority topics and less priority means if a logarithm question is on the easier side, I should be able to solve it. That is going to give me an edge. But if it is on the higher difficulty side, then I am going to just leave it because it is going to take a lot of time from my 120 minutes which have been allotted to me in the exam, right? So don't waste your time on the higher or difficult topics, difficult questions from these topics because no one is going to, hardly anyone will be able to solve this question, right? So let's start with logarithm. That was just a disclaimer. Let's start with logarithm. We are going to keep this topic to very basic level. So you just have an understanding of what logarithms are, few formulas on it, and few basic questions on it. Right? Let's start. What exactly is a logarithm? Okay. If you ever see someone wrote like this, log of something like this, there is always this is a logarithm. Till now, you are not able to understand what exactly logarithm is. A log is just a function where you put in some value of n. It's a machine. You put in some value of m and it gives you final answer as something like say x. So logarithm is a function or a machine which take in two values, that is m and n. They take in two values of m and n. What these m and n are, we will understand later. But they will take some values of m, some values of n, and it is going to crunch some numbers and give you the final value or final result as x. Right? Right? So understanding these things, what m and n are, this is known as base. Just note it down. M is the base. Right? So now, if someone tell you, see, this is very important. Whenever on from my experience, I only know if even if I don't able to recall many formulas in the exam, I know this basic. If you are able to know this three basic steps, you know the logarithm, right? So now just pay attention here. If log m base n is given to you is equal to a, then m is equal to, take m on this side m and take this a power to m. So log of n with the base m is equal to a is, n here is, this is the conversion, n is, take m here and a as raised to power a. I hope this is clear. Now, if someone gives you what is the log if someone's give you log, just say, they will say log of 10 of 100 is 2. What does this mean? That 100 is equal to, I will take 10 on this side, raised to power of square, that is 100. Yes. So, just for the understanding, or in future also, just recall this part, that how to convert log into an exponent form, or exponent means power form. I will write it again here. What log of, suppose suppose a and b is z. What is b? B is equal to, take a on this side, a raised to power z. I hope this is clear. Now, again, next part is, if z is equal to 1, means if z is equal to 1 here, if z is equal to 1, then log a b is equal to 1, then b is equal to a raised to power 1 by our conversion, or is equal to a. So the first thing you have to know, that logarithm of a means both are the same. Base is same and this number is same. This is going to give you a value of 1. Always remember this. This is very important. Log of something with the base same is equal to 1. This is the proof here. Right? Now, moving on, we have few formulas from logarithm. You just note them down, keep them in mind, and we will solve some question where you will see the application of these formulas. Let's start. Before going on these formulas, again I am putting very much emphasis on, if suppose log of a, b is z given to you. So what is b? B is equal to a taken on that side raised to power z. Right? Now, second is, if the second part was when log of a, and here we have the same number, that is 1. By now, I hope this is clear. Why? Because z is equal to 1, that is b is equal to a. Now, third, very important formula, log of a multiply b. Multiply b. Keep this thing in mind, multiplication. Multiply b. If log of a multiply b is, this will give you log of a plus log of b. Very important, one of the most important formula from logarithm. Multiplication in the log will give you log a plus log b. Again important, log a divided by log b means divide will be log of a minus log of b. Very important, log of a minus log of b. So till now we have three formulas. First of the conversion, second is log of anything with the same base is equal to 1. Third of multiplication of log is a plus b, log of a plus log of b, and division is a minus b. Now, log of 1 is always 0. Just remember, log of 1 is always 0. You don't need the proof here. I can give you the proof by the conversion only, but don't waste a lot of time here. Just know that log of any log which has 1 inside it will give the final value as 0. Right? Now, for the curious people, suppose if this is given to you, log of a, b is equal to 0. Suppose if this is the case, 0. Now, b is equal to a raised to power 0. Then b is equal to a raised to power 0 is 1. So, that is why whenever this log of 1, that is always the final result is 0. Right? Now, and coming to the next one, log of m raised to power n. Log of m raised to power n. Now, in this case, you can take this n in front of log. Means it will be n multiplied by log of m. I hope this is clear. Whenever log m raised to power n, then you can take n in front of log. I hope this is clear. Now very simple. Now tell me, log of 10 of 1000 will be what? Log of 10, 1000 will be what? Now, Can you not write this as log of 10? 1000 is 10 cube. What did I just told you? If there is a power of this, you can take it in the front. 3 into log of 10. 10. What is log of 10 with the same base? Means this formula, this one. If log of a number with the same base is 1, so 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So I hope this is clear. Now, moving on. Whenever log of minus, there is a minus sign in the front of log. Since I have already told you that a raised to power b, you can take this b here. That will make it b log of a. Can you not take this b back? Yes. So if I take minus back, I will be like a raised to power minus 1. Will it not make it log of 1 by a? So this is the case. This is the fifth formula, log of 1 by a. And the final is, if log of b a is given to you, you can write it as log of a divided by log of b with this some other base. I'm just keeping it to the basics. You don't have to fret upon a lot of things. You just have to understand, note this formula somewhere, write them down, and if any logarithm question in the exam comes in, I can bet you by 80% of those questions can be solved by just 3, 5 or 6 formulas, and that's all. Right? Now, before moving on, let's do the quick recap of the formulas we have done. First thing, log of a b is if is given m, that will be b a taken on the other side raised to power m. I hope first thing is clear. Second thing, log of a with a same number, that is 1. Next was log of whatever base you want, but if there is 1 here instead of on the right side, 1 on the side of the log, the answer is always 0. Then we did log of a into b is log a plus log b. Then we did log of a divided by b, that is log a minus log b. Then what did we do? Then we did understand the property that log of m raised to power n. This n could be brought in the front. Means this n could be brought in the front of log. If this could be brought in the front, we could take it back. So minus of log a is equal to log 1 by a. And the final formula is log of a with the base b is equal to log of a divided by log of b, and you can bring a new base. Just focus on these formulas and we'll solve some questions on this. Now, if log of this is, they have asked you in the exam, log of 2, 32, base 2, 32 is given to you. How will you solve this? First thing, I will think of 32 as 2 in 2 4 4 8s are right, 8 for the 32, or 32 could be written as 2 raised to power 5. So first thing I will do is log of 2 raised to power 5. First step is done. Can I not bring 5 on the in the front of log? So that will be 5 of log 2 log 2. What is this? This is 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. This is the answer. I hope this is clear. This is how you calculate logarithm. And just again I am emphasizing on this point, keep your knowledge on this topic to the minimal. Just remember the formulas and some basic questions, that's all from this topic. Now moving on. If this is given to you, find the value of x. Very simple. You can pause the video, try to solve them. Just an idea, this is the formula which I are going to use in this. A into b is log of a plus log of b. You can pause it and then come back and see the video again. Now, the question given is log of x is equal to log 2.5 plus log 4. Right? log of A plus log of B is log A into B, means 2.5 multiply by 4. This is log of 10, or on the other side is log of x, log of x. Now comparing these two, is not x is equal to 10? Yes, x is equal to 10. Answer. Very simple. You just have to know this formula, that log A into B is log A plus log B. Now, here we have another thing where they have asked us log of 1 by 243 is equal to what? And the base is 27. So, for this I will write it as log of 27 1 by 243. You can pause the video and try to solve it, and otherwise I will tell you that 27 is equal to 3 9 3 are 27, so 3 cube, right? And 243 is 81 into 3, that is 3 raised to power 4 into 3, that is 3 raised to power 5. You just have to know these two things, that 27 is 3 cube and 243 is 3 raised to power 5. Try to solve this on your own. You can pause the video and come back. Okay, starting with this, we'll use the formula log of AB is equal to log of B divided by log of A, and we can take any new base we want, anything we want. So here in this case I will write this as log of 1 by 243 divided by log of 27. Now which base I will choose? Obviously, because they are both the power of 3, I will choose a new base as 3. First step is done. I hope this is clear. Now on the numerator, can I do it like, I will this will be 243 raised to power minus 1 and log of 3 raised to 27. I hope this is clear. Second step. Third step, bringing minus in the front. This is also another formula. So 243 divided by log of 327. Right? Now, next step is minus log of 3. What is 243? This is 3 raised to power 5. And log of 27 is 3 raised to power 3. Right? So, now you can bring 5 as well in the front, as well as 3 in the front. You will be left with log 3, 3 and log 3, 3 in the numerator and denominator, that is 1. So, your final answer is minus 5 by 3. I hope this is clear. Just the application of logarithm formulas. So, you have to know those 5-6 formulas by heart, and you should be able to come at the solution. Now, moving on. This is just an application of arithmetic progression and logarithm, right? They can ask you if log 4, log m and log 9 are in arithmetic progression, means log 4, log m and log 9 are in arithmetic progression, find the value of m. Now, you can pause the video, try to solve it and come back. Okay, let's start. If these are in arithmetic progression, the common difference has to be the same. So, the common difference will be log m minus log 4 is equal to log 9 minus log m. If you are not able to recall this, you have to go back and watch the arithmetic progression video. This has been explained in that video. So, log m minus log 4 is equal to log 9 minus log m. Taking log m on one side, that is 2 log m is equal to log 4 plus log 9. This is formula for log a plus log b is equal to log 4 multiplied by 9. This is giving us log of what? 36. And here, can I not take it 2 as a power of this? So, this is log of m square. Log of m square is equal to log of 36. So, can I not write it as m square is equal to 36? So, m can have two values, 6 and minus 6. 6 and minus 6. Now, the last most important thing you have to know in the logarithms, that is, whatever you want to put here means base as well as here, means B, this can only take value as positive. No negative can come at the place of B. This is a restriction for logarithm. There is no log for minus 5, right? There is no log for minus 5. So here A and B can only be positive, no negative. So B has to be positive, A has to be positive. This is an important condition for logarithm. So m is equal to minus 6 means log of minus 6 cannot be the answer. So the answer is m is equal to 6. Another important thing you have to keep in mind, the log of minus does not exist or does not make any sense. So B and A has to be a positive number. So m is equal to 6 is the answer. I hope this is clear. Again, logarithm, low priority topic. You just have to know some 6 to 7 formulas. Few conditions of log, like it cannot take negative value, and that's all you need for the CSAT exam. Right? So that completes our logarithm topic. In the next video, we are going to start with set theory. It will take at least 2 videos. I think in 2 videos, we'll cover the basics of sets, and then finally, we are going to solve the previous year questions of algebra topic from 2021 and 2022. So if you have not downloaded that PDF, you can go to the Telegram channel and download that PDF and start solving them on your own before that final video of the previous year question comes out in few days. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thank you and best of luck for your preparation.